Hi friends, today I'll show you how to turn off Proxy in CapCut on your PC or laptop. If you're ready, as the first step, open the CapCut desktop application. Then click the settings icon in the upper right corner. Next, open the settings page. Then click the Performance tab on the settings page. The first thing you need to do is uncheck the box in the Proxy section. If the box is unchecked, your proxy feature is already disabled. It might also be helpful to clear your proxy data. You can delete it by clicking the trash can icon next to proxy size. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save button. I hope this how to turn off Proxy in CapCut PC or laptop tutorial video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.